EAMRCPOB. Electronic Anodic Moisturizer. Rust. Corrosion protection by oxidation for building. Here is a concept related to electronic corrosion protection using anodic oxidation as a method to prevent moisturizer, rust and corrosion. Electronic corrosion protection. Electronic corrosion protection involves using electrical or electronic systems to inhibit or mitigate corrosion on metal surfaces. These systems typically modify the electrochemical reactions that cause corrosion, aiming to reduce or prevent the corrosion process altogether. One common method involves imposing a potential difference between the metal surface and an electrode to control the flow of electrons and ions, thereby influencing the corrosion reactions. Anodic oxidation. Anodic oxidation is a process that involves applying an external electric current to a metal object, which causes the metal's surface to undergo oxidation, lose electrons, and form an oxide layer. This oxide layer can provide protection against further corrosion by acting as a barrier between the metal and the surrounding environment. Integration of concepts. In the context of your description, electronic corrosion protection through anodic oxidation might involve using controlled electronic systems to induce anodic polarization on metal surfaces. By doing so, you could encourage the formation of protective oxide layers that inhibit rust and corrosion. This approach might include electronic system. Designing an electronic system that can apply a controlled anodic current to the metal surface. Potential control. The electronic system would adjust the potential voltage applied to the metal, ensuring that it reaches the anodic region where oxidation occurs. Oxidation and oxide formation. The application of the anodic potential induces oxidation of the metal surface, resulting in the formation of an oxide layer. Corrosion protection. The oxide layer acts as a protective barrier against further corrosion by isolating